If you have any problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments not loading or not showing or any problem. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here on this page, as you can see, we'll find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram like this. When you find it, click on it, and now here click on force stop. Go down to the data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Go back, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if the video was helpful.